I love how this wall cabinet looks in my bathroom. There's honestly never enough storage. So this cabinet was sent to me for my honest feedback, and I have to say I'm really happy with it. First, it was very easy to put together, nothing complicated, and I had it assembled pretty quickly. What really caught my eye though is the rattan front. It adds some texture and warmth to the room and just makes the cabinet look a lot more stylish than a standard bathroom cabinet. It feels decorative while still being practical. So inside there's plenty of room for any extra supplies or anything else you want tucked away. And the open shelf on the bottom is great for items you use more often. And I also like that it mounts on the wall, so it adds storage without taking up any floor space. Overall, it's a simple and attractive storage solution that looks great and helps keep the bathroom organized. Definitely recommend.